Assalamualaikum. Our topic is strategic planning and marketing process. First, we read strategic planning. The process of developing and maintaining a strategic fit between the organization goals and capabilities and its changing marketing opportunities is called strategic planning. Planning is basically concerned with what are we going to do and how are we going to do it. Environment and consumers develop shared goals within organization, address competitive threat to anti-set the picture, further determine actions that are needed to achieve objectives. Strategic planning is mainly to three types. Three types के होते हैं strategic planning. Major activities strategic planning process include developing the company goals, and typically, strategic planning focus on long-term issues and emphasize the several growth and overall effectiveness of the organization. Tactical planning. Tactical planning is concerned with translating the journal goals and plans developed by strategic managers into objectives that are more specific and activities. These decisions or tasks involve both a shorter time horizon and the consideration of resource. Third, planning is used to supervise the operations of the organization. It is directly involved with non-management employees implementing the specific plans developed with tactical managers. This role is critically in the organization and because operational managers are the link between management and personnel. Characteristic of a strategic plan. Strategic plan consists of developing a company mission to give a direction, objectives, and goals, business portfolio, and functional plans. Since most companies are interested in growth, this chapter explores several growth alternatives within the context of strategic planning and portfolio. It encourages management to think ahead systematically. It forces managers to clarify objectives and policies. It leads to better coordination of company effort. It provides clear performance standards for control. It is useful for a fast changing environment since sound planning helps the company anticipate and respond quickly to environmental changes and sudden development. Strategic planning process. It is defined as a process of developing and maintaining a strategic fit between the organization goals and capability and its changing marketing opportunities. Strategic planning sets the stage for the rest of the planning in the firm. There are four steps to the strategic planning process. Starting a clear company mission, spotting company objectives, designing a sound business portfolio, planning and coordinating marketing and other functional strategies. Defining the company's business and mission. An organization exists to accomplish something. When management sense that the organization is drafting, it is time to renew its search for purpose by asking what is our business, what is our customers, what do customers value, what should our business be. The first step in the strategic planning process is defining the company mission. A mission statement is a statement of the organization purpose, what is want to accomplish in the larger environment. A clear mission statement acts as an invisible hand that guides people in the organization. Market definition of a business are better than product or technology definition. Product or technology can become outdated, but basic market needs many may last forever. A market or a trend mission statement define the business in terms of satisfying basic customer needs. The mission statement must avoid being too narrow or too broad. Mission statement must be realistic, be specific, fit the market environment, indicate distinctive competence, be motivating. B. Setting company objectives and goals. The company mission needs to be turned into detailed sporting objectives for each level of management. This second step is the strategic planning process requires the manager to set company's goals and objectives and be responsible for achieving them. The mission leads to a hierarchy of objectives, including business and marketing objectives. Objectives should be as specific as possible. See, designing the business portfolio. The third step is the strategic planning process is designing the business portfolio. The business portfolio is a collection of business and products that make up the company. The best business portfolio is the one that best fits the company's strength and weakness to opportunities in the environment. In order to design the business portfolio, the business must analyze its current business portfolio and decide which business should receive more, less, or no investment. Develop growth strategy for adding new product or business to the portfolio. The first step is to identify the key business. The SBU can be a business division, a product line within a division, or even a single product or brand. The second step is to assess the attractiveness of its various SBUs and decide how much support each deserve. Using the BCG approach, where a company classifies all its SBUs according to the growth shares matrix. The vertical axis market growth rate provide a measure of market attractiveness. The horizontal axis relative market share serves as a measure of company strength in the market. Using the matrix, what type of SBUS can be identified: star, cash cows, question marks, dogs. Stars. Stars are high growth, high share business or products. Cash crow are low growth, high share business or products. Question marks are low share business units in high growth markets. Dogs are low growth, low share business and products. The company can invest more in the business unit in order to build its share. The company can invest enough just to hold at the current level. The company can harvest the SBU. The company can diverse the SBU as time passes. SBUs changes their position in the growth share matrix. Each has its own life cycle. The growth share matrix has done much to help strategic planning study. They can be difficult, time consuming and costly to implement. Management may find it difficult to define SBUs and measure market shares growth. They focus on classifying current business but provide little advice for further planning. They can lead the company to placing too much emphasis on market share growth or growth through entry into attractive new markets.